Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a video where I talk to you guys about foundation under rupees 1000. I am gonna recommend you guys few foundation that I love, that I have tried and tested, and I'm gonna recommend it to you guys. You can definitely check it out. I'll link all the products in the description box so you can check it out from there. If you want a foundation under rupees 1000, then you can definitely try any one of these. So I'm gonna talk to you in details about this foundation, what all I like about this foundation. So let's get started with the video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload a video. Now quickly let's get started. So let's start with this foundation. It is the Sugar Ace of Face Foundation Stick. I got mine in the shade 20 Galau. And this is how the product looks like. So you have the foundation stick on one side and brush on the other side. So this foundation is something that you can carry with you. It is very travel friendly. You don't have to carry an extra brush for it or a sponge for it. It has a brush to it and it's easy to apply because it is a stick foundation. Just like every other stick foundation, it is super easy to use. You just place it all over your face and blend it with the brush. What I like about this foundation is that it is creamy and it applies and glides easily, and it is medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up. It is not too oily or it won't make you feel too dewy, but it's not matte either. It's somewhere in between. And this foundation is for rupees 999. So I have been using this for quite some time now and I really like this foundation. I don't always use the brush, but whenever I use the brush, it gives me a flawless finish because it doesn't leave any brush strokes behind. I really love the brush quality, but I use it with a sponge and I love the finish of this foundation. It blends very easily and it has medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up. I do use it, I do layer it up in the areas that I need a little more coverage. I love this foundation. It is really good for the price. You can definitely try this one out. It is also very travel friendly. It won't take much space and also it is very sturdy, so it won't break or spill. My next recommendation is Lakme foundation. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So this is for rupees 475. This foundation says that it has built-in primer in it and is a matte foundation with SPF 20. I don't find it super matte. It is like a natural finish. It is not too drying, not too oily. I love how the product sits on my face. Again, this one is medium coverage. You can definitely build it up, but it is so natural and flawless looking that it won't make your face look cakey. It will definitely make your skin flawless but not heavy or cakey. It makes your skin look flawless and gives that natural, like no foundation look, not cakey at all. It has a liquidy consistency to it, which I love because it is easy to blend. So this is how the applicator is. You can directly apply it to your face. It does apply really well. Like I just apply the foundation like this and then I dab it with a sponge and it gives me the most natural flawless looking finish. It is perfect for every day. If you don't want to look like caked up or like super glam, then this is the foundation that you can use on a daily basis. Then my next recommendation is the e.l.f. foundation. It's the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. It is oil free and medium coverage and they say it gives you satin finish, but I think it is a bit more mattifying than satin. When I apply this on my face, especially during the dry season, when I apply it, I find it to be a little more mattifying. So I have to really moisturize my skin well and use a dewy primer so that this foundation looks more dewy or satiny. Otherwise, I think this is more on the matte side, not super matte but a bit matte. This would be perfect for oily skin because it is a bit mattifying and they say it's oil free. Yes, and this foundation is for rupees 550 only. Now this foundation is light to medium coverage. When you apply one layer, if you have certain blemishes or spots, it won't cover it at the first layer, but you can definitely build it up and make it a bit more like medium coverage. This is more like a everyday foundation. This is not the super glam foundation that you get where you get a full coverage. It is like an everyday foundation where it is not oily, so it would be perfect for oily skin or combination skin type people, because this one is a bit of a mattifying kind of a foundation. So this is how the product looks. It is a tiny bottle. It has a pump thing to dispense the product, which I really love about foundation. Then let's talk about one of my another like most favorite kind of a foundation that I love using. It is the Flower Beauty's Light Illusion foundation, and this foundation is for rupees 990. Now this foundation looks like this. It is another like pump foundation. You can dispense the product using the pump. I love the packaging. It looks stunning and it is quite sturdy, so you can easily travel with this product. Now coming to the foundation, they say it's a luminous foundation. Yes, because it gives you that most like natural dewy kind of a look. I definitely love this product. This is more like a dewy foundation. I love using it during the like winter season or when my skin is a bit dry. I love using this foundation because it gives you the most natural looking dewy skin finish. It is a medium coverage. It has quite a bit of coverage. It doesn't look cakey at all because it is dewy. It looks very natural on the skin. If you guys are into dewy makeup look or you like your skin being dewy, then this is the foundation for you. I really love using this foundation. It is dewy, but it gives you a lot of coverage. That is the thing that I like about it, and it does look natural. It would be good for dry skin people, combination skin as well. It is dewy, but it is not sheer, so it does cover your like blemishes or your skin very well. Now this foundation is like you can use it on everyday basis, and also during if you want to get glammed up, you can use it then as well. It has a creamy kind of consistency and it blends really easily, very smoothly. You don't have to work really hard with this foundation. It blends super easily. And next, let's talk about this L'Oreal True Match foundation. It is for rupees 799. Just as the name suggests, it is super blendable foundation. It blends like very easily. The consistency is not too watery but also not too creamy. It's somewhere in between, so it blends super easily. This product have shimmer particles in it, which is really fine. It is not like chunky shimmer particles. It gives you the most dewy like shimmers are infused in the foundation, so it gives you the most natural glowy kind of a look. If you don't like shimmery kind of a foundation, then you can skip it, but it's not like very shimmery. You won't see shimmers all over your face. It will look just glowy. Comes with a pump, so it is easy to use. I like the coverage. It is like very natural sheer to medium kind of a coverage. This foundation will be perfect for dry to combination skin types. It is really like natural looking, not cakey at all. Next we have another L'Oreal foundation. It's their L'Oreal 24-hour foundation Infallible Pro Matte, and it is for rupees 750. I think they have changed the packaging now. This one was a year before. Bought this 1 year before the packaging changed, so this is the old packaging. They say the finish is demi matte. It wears up to 24 hours. Its coverage is medium and the texture is air light. It is actually a really matte kind of foundation, so this will suit oily skin types. And coming to the wear test, I think it lasts pretty long. I don't think it lasts 24 hours, but it does last pretty long because it is mattifying. The coverage is medium to high. It is a like very high coverage kind of foundation. You can definitely layer it up, but not too much. It might like dry you out or make your skin look cakey because texture is somewhat like thick. When I use this, I am combination skin, and when I use this foundation and if I layer it up too much, it does crack it in this part of my face. So I would recommend you don't layer it up too much. One layer is I think more than enough. You can layer it up just little by little somewhere where you need a little bit more coverage, but otherwise I don't recommend you to layer the entire face again and again. This is how the packaging looks like. It is a squeezy tube packaging and the texture is very thick, so you have to moisturize and prime your skin very well. You have to make your skin very dewy in beforehand. Also, this is totally not an everyday foundation for me. It is like glam foundation where I wear it to events or parties. So all the oily skin people can definitely try this one out. I have another stick foundation. It is the Makeup Revolution stick foundation. I think it is called the Fast Base foundation, and it is for rupees 850. This is how the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. It looks really pretty, and you can see I've almost used a lot of this product. I actually really love a stick foundation because it is easy to use, it is easy to carry. Now this foundation is a bit dewy and creamy, so it won't suit oily people, especially during summers. It would suit dry to combination skin, and you can definitely use this during winter time because it will give you the most glowy natural kind of look, but with coverage. Today the foundation that I used is this one as well, so you can see how good my skin looks. It is medium to full coverage, but it will not make your skin cakey at all. It is very flawless. It gives you that dewy satiny kind of finish. I do layer this foundation up in the areas that I need a little more coverage, that is the cheek part, and it didn't crack or look cakey at all. I did prime my skin and moisturize my skin well. The texture is really creamy and it glides easily. It blends easily. You can blend it easily with a brush and a sponge. I did use a sponge today and it gave me a lot of coverage as well. So that was all my recommendation for foundations under rupees 1000. Let me know which foundation you like. Comment down below in the comment section if you like this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video.